Hey guys, it's Lilyboo 2024 and today I'm gonna do something really cool. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna go pick up my cousin Absidy and we're gonna be making a video about me and her being handcuffed all day today. So that's gonna be really cool. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm so nervous. We just gotta go pick her up. Yeah, so the time right now is currently 5:05.
Yeah, you can kind of see that.
Okay, yeah, don't put that on me.
I mean, you could help, but...
No, you can. You're the cousin.
Okay, guys, James Avery is checked off the list, and there it is. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, guys, we're here at Best Buy, and we're getting an adapter so I could record ASMR for the upcoming videos that y'all might see. And so we're still handcuffing. This is very tiring.
How you feeling, Absidy?
I don't know.
How you feeling?
Just great.
How's your hand feeling?
Oh,
Mine's
terrible.
okay.
Look at that. Look at that
I'm still-
redness.
You put yours on too tight.
No, it's not even tight. Just when she yanks it, it gets like. When
I
she
don't
yanks,
yank it.
You
yes,
yank
were.
it.
I
She-
don't
she-
yank.
Yes, when you're walking, I was like, girl. And then when you're trying to do something while you're scrubbing, it rubs against my skin.
Oh yeah. Well, I wasn't yanking though.
Yes, you were. We just left Best Buy, and now we're heading to Walmart. And so yeah, we're still handcuffed, and this is hurting so bad, cause like she's yanking it, so it hurts me.
I'm trying to keep up with you.
So yeah, now we're heading to Walmart. And so yeah, bye. So we're at Walmart right now, and so we're going to the restroom because my family needs to go to the restroom, and I kind of do need to go too. Aww. I need to go pee really bad. So I need to the restroom, and we'll see how this goes. Hey guys, so we're in the restroom right now, and we're still handcuffed, as you can see, and it's very hard. And the thing that sucks to be her is that she can't take off her jacket, because if she does, it's gonna mess us up. And she kind of made this tight on me, because when she bumped into me, it made it so tight. So we're in the restroom right now. Okay, so we're in the restroom right now. We're still handcuffed. I'm sitting down. Where are they? Okay, we don't have fun.
Mini, minor, catch, tag up.
Can I get this too?
I can't do that.
Okay, so we just left Walmart and we got McDonald's that I'm really excited to eat. And when we go home, we're gonna have a mukbang, so stay tuned for that. So we're eating McDonald's right now, and I'm really excited. And we're just gonna be having a mukbang, whatever.
Which one?
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour, yeah. Pop those for you.
So we're still handcuffed. I wonder how this is gonna be.
Yeah, I found your handcuffs.
Oh, did
And
you not know?
my Theo's gonna be eating with us.
He knew, but he didn't know it was going to be all ready. They've been waiting for your key because Cece's wrist is getting red.
How tight is it?
Tight.
That's how you unlock it?
Yes.
I thought it was a key.
How'd you manage to lock it though?
Oh my god, that
I
feels
don't
so
know.
good.
Loosen up C's a bit too.
Look at that.
No. Bro, that's gonna bruise. that's gonna bruise.
I still have to put it back on.
No, you're
Yeah.
not. No.
I have to. It's a challenge.
You already failed the challenge.
No, it's to make it looser. There, that should be good.
I told her you would loosen up when you got home.
Okay, I'm gonna eat. Okay. Oh, is this for me? Thank you. That's fine. Here, get it. I can't open it. That's why.
Need help?
I got it.
Because your nails?
It's not good by itself. We made more room. Oh, that's smart. Did you have any fun people today?
I was stuck with one person all day for 12 hours, girl.
Were they fun?
Try 24 hours.
But Absidy needs to be unhandcuffed so she can take her jacket off.
Should have thought of that first.
I warned Cece, and so she brought a jacket with her, but she was just going to put it on one arm. How'd you get your purse on like that? Or you swung it around or something? Did you put it on when you're unhandcuffed?
Mm-hmm.
You'll have to slide it off your Absidy.
Wait. And you got some on your,
No, you just gave it to her.
Wait. Tiny. You're tiny.
Cece, you're tinier. No, stay in camera so I can make fun of you doing that face.
And no fair. Oh, I got a good idea. It slipped off my legs.
I know, that was really satisfying the way that sounded. That's why I finish first.
I'm hungry.
Perhaps he has to eat with her left hand.
No, but chicken nugget. Thank you.
I still can't believe y'all did that.
What? That they handcuffed themselves?
Yes, I didn't think they were gonna go through it.
Really? Why? Now they have to sleep on the couch together.
Losers.
That's weird because I move a lot.
I move a lot too.
Ooh.
At least he gave you all a little bit more room.
Thinking about taking it off.
No.
Just to have
You
fun.
should make it more torturous. Somebody that was at Walmart, they're like, they passed by them really quick and they came back, they're like, are y'all really handcuffed together?
And Absolute was like, yeah. Hey guys, I'm using the restroom. And so yeah. And there's my cousin over there. Look, let me show you her. And they were still handcuffed. So we put like another one. I think I saw it in the mukbang. But yeah, I'm using the restroom right now. That's fun.
Very funny.
Okay.
Okay guys, it's been like 10, how many hours?
5.
Only 5.
5 hours, and I'm about to kill this girl because she's, it's so weird because she's on my, look, see her right now? She's making me cross my hand, ow, she's making me cross my hands. And so with this extra heaviness and her pulling, no,
You pull most of the time.
nobody asked for your opinion. Okay. Okay, so, yeah, like, that's the update.
That's not an opinion.
So, are y'all's wrists hurting?
Yes, it's killing me.
Cece, come on, look up.
Lily. Ah! I can't move my other arm.
She won't give you her arm.
No. My arm is like stuck like this all night.
You can't even fight off Zeus. Cece, come on. Cece.
Do it for the YouTube.
Cece, come on.
Does it look like I want to get up?
Yeah, it looks like you don't want to get up.
Guys, so we're still handcuffed and we just woke up and I'm hungry and I need 2 hands for this and she needs 2 hands for that. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna eat my sausages first.
Yeah, they're gonna have to take turns.
Yeah, look, that was thinking that. How about you take a bite of your sandwich first, and then we come to my side.
Nope.
Hey.
It's gonna take a long time.
We get really close to each other.
Okay.
And then you grab your sandwich.
Wait, I want a piece of my sausage. This is why I'm always the last one eating. Ready?
This is gonna be a fun morning.
It's like 2. Oh, we have to wait until 5. This sucks. 3 more hours. Yeah.
So I guess it's not morning anymore. We're supposed to be having lunch, but whatever.
You woke up before us?
She woke up before me.
I was laying in bed, trying to move along with you. It was so hard. This girl kept waking me up. I was like, Felicity, you're hurting me. I'm like, how am I hurting you? I'm not even touching you. My night was good for some parts. I didn't like the part where she just kept waking me up and like I was really comfortable and she had to move me from my uncomfortable spot.
Hey, I'm sorry. I tried to leave you. I left you as long as I could until my arm was like killing me.
That's right, because you're the good cousin.
And every time I was curling up, I felt something like I felt something else on me. And I'll like be like, what the heck's on me? And I turn around and I try moving her hand and it's like stuck to me. I'm like, oh snap.
Oh, we're handcuffed together. That's right.
Yeah, and then I'll go back in the same position. I'll go to sleep. Hers look really tight, right?
Her wrist is barely getting red. That's probably just from sleeping with it on. Are yours still red?
No, but I have lines. Not with her, because I've been having mine down here.
When you're sleeping?
Yeah, mine's down here, and right here is not sensitive. So it's not really on my wrist that much. So,
Hey, how you feeling?
I feel terrible. I feel like I just want to yank these apart, but I forgot
Do you
to
feel like you want to do this again with a different person?
Oh, well, Deja just to torture her. Just to like to get her tortured because I know she's.
So I guess shout out to Deja.
Shout out to Deja. You already know it's gonna come up, Deja. If you watch this, I'm gonna send you this.
You know, you shouldn't even tell everybody. You should just handcuff her.
Oh, that would be
Like
great.
have her come over, be like Deja, come over, and be like okay, and then like the next morning they'd be like yank.
All right, bye guys. See y'all later. Y'all ready to get it off?
Yes, take it off.
Okay, give me your handcuffs.
Me first.
Yeah, you first, because you're my favorite one. You heard the click. You heard the click. Oh, it's not opening. Okay, there it goes.
Oh my god.
Jesus, that was so much better.
Should I let you go, or should I just like handcuff you to a chair?
No.
You ready?
Yes.
You ready for this?
Yes.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I was gonna like tighten at the last minute so she couldn't get out.
I feel like a free bird.
Oh my god. We're far away from each other.
Now, how do y'all feel?
Finally,
I
bye.
feel
Get away.
free. I can finally go without anyone. Why come you back to me?
Because I like being around you, just not
So, interview point. How do y'all feel?
Free and happy.
Absolutely.
I mean, I don't mind being close to her, just not too close.
Oh.
Oh, you're moving the bracelet.
Y'all
over.
comment down below if y'all want another one, but
No, not with me.
with Deja. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and put those post notifications on. And bye.